Hello everyone, and welcome back to Vegan with Soul. Today here in the kitchen, I'm going to make a decadent cauliflower sandwich along with some baked potatoes. It's going to be very delicious, very quick, but very satisfying. So guys, let's get cooking. I sliced about 5 potatoes and I like them very well seasoned. So I'm using some olive oil, some paprika, some Cajun seasoning, some garlic powder, and some black pepper and some black sea salt. And we're just gonna massage these potatoes to life. And we're gonna place them in the oven for about 20 minutes on 400. Because I want them to crisp. If you cook them a little lower, they may get a little soft and you won't have that crunch you like. So I find that 400 degrees is perfect for this size of potatoes. So while our potatoes bake, we're gonna make our cauliflower batter. 1 cup of self-rising flour, 1 cup of almond milk. To this, we're gonna add a teaspoon of turmeric, paprika, pepper, and a little bit of garlic powder. And we're gonna blend all this together and set it to the side. Be very careful not to come up here too far or you will separate. As you see here, so you won't get the whole cauliflower to be like a solid, for lack of a better word, cauliflower steak, if you will. So that's okay, we can fry these separately. But I'm just gonna make a very careful cut across to make sure my cauliflower stay together, like that. So I have 2 so far, which I think is great. I have a small cauliflower head, so I was looking for maybe 3 to 4, and I have 3.
Make sure you clean up after yourself.
Thank you, honey, for cleaning up for me. You see my little bug? It was hungry. Thanks, love. So we're gonna make the sauce for the sandwich, and you know I'm using some vegan mayo. Sweet relish, because I just like a little twang on my sauce. And definitely gonna add some sriracha. Who doesn't like sriracha? Extra kick, just a little bit of this. Perfect. Garlic powder. And I grilled some onions. Yes, it's gonna be nice. Give it a little bit of texture in there. And mix. It's gonna be so good on this cauliflower sandwich. Oh, potatoes are ready. I must have this in every bite, y'all. Every bite. A little bit of, honey, you want onions? No onions for you? Onions for me. Yes, there's onions within the sauce, but I just love onions. And I grilled some, got me some char on top. Look how beautiful that is. A little bit of baby arugula. On both. Yes, that's going to be so tasty. Honey, you want a tomato? No tomato for you? Honey, you want a tomato?
No, thank you.
Tomato pot of tea. Yes, I think I'm right now. Yes, that's good. Oh yeah, feels good. Feels really good. Oh yeah. Oh, that looks so good. Oh, y'all, it went through so easy. Oh, look how pretty that is. Isn't that gorgeous? I can't wait to bite it. This is tasty. This is so good. That arugula is a little sweet, a little peppery. That arugula is really good with this. You're gonna love it. Come take a bite. Oh, you trying to take my tomato?
That's good.
Is that good or what? All right, guys. As you can see, the sandwich was definitely delicious. Everything that I put together went so very well with the fried cauliflower sandwich. Now, that's not something I eat every day, but it is something I may eat once a month, maybe twice. But it was a very good sandwich, guys, and the potatoes was amazing as well. But I just want to thank you guys so much for your support, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, share this video if you enjoyed it, give me thumbs up, and guys, leave me a comment down below because I would love to respond to you. That's how we get to know each other. So guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I will catch you next time in the kitchen.